Welcome friends. The bear are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. They are classified as caniforms or dog-like carnivores. There are only about 8 species of bear remain on Earth, but they are widespread, appearing in a wide variety of habitats throughout the northern hemisphere and partially in the southern hemisphere. They are found on the continents of Asia, Europe, North and South America, and the sound of these different species of bear is also different. So in this video, I am going to talk about the sound of all bear species. Number 8. Giant Panda. Number 7. Sun bear. Number 6. American black bear. Number 5. Sloth bear. Number 4. Asiatic black bear. Number 3. Andean or spectacled bear.
That's me. Baloo is too. I think she needs help.
Number 2. Brown bear. And number 1. Polar bear.
Where to find food, where to sleep, where to run, so we're not doing all those important things you need to know to make sure you can survive.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share.